tailor shop in Reno, Nevada. He sewed the pants for working men who wore their seams out of them. A miner's wife came calling, said her husband tore through 3. So Davis grabbed some copper rivets, hammered them in free. He placed them at the pocket corners, base of every fly. When those reinforced work pants held fast, he wondered why. He'd never thought to patent it, the money was running low. So he wrote a letter westward to a man in San Francisco. On May the 20th, 1873, 2 immigrants shook hands and made a little history. A Bavarian and a Latvian, both chasing something new. File patent number 13912, one on something built to last through. Copper rivets in the denim, locked in every seam. The birth of blue jeans stamped in ink and sealed with steam. Levi Strauss came over from Bavaria in 1847. New York to San Francisco, searching for heaven. He sold dry goods to miners who were pulling gold from stone. Canvas pants, then denim cloth, he built his trade alone. Davis wrote and Strauss read every word that letter said. I need a business partner, or this idea dies instead. Strauss put up the money, Davis packed his tools and went. Improvement in fastening pocket openings, the patent they sent. On May the 20th, 1873, 2 immigrants shook hands and made a little history. A Bavarian and a Latvian, both chasing something new. File patent number 13912, one on something built to last through. Copper rivets in the denim, locked at every seam. The birth of blue jeans stamped in ink and sealed with steam. The railroad men and ranchers, the miners in the dust, pulled on those riveted work pants because they had to trust that every pocket corner held from Sacramento to the sea, that every seam stayed stitched through a hard day's working. By the 1880s, Strauss had opened up a factory floor. The double X became the 501 by 1894. What started as a tailor's fix for one miner's busted seam became the uniform of labor, stitched into the American dream. On May the 20th, 1873, 2 immigrants shook hands and made a little history. A Bavarian and a Latvian, both chasing something new. Filed patent number 139121 on something built to last through. Copper rivets in the denim, locked at every seam.